My climate technology is carbon capture. We have a problem in our society. Our fossil fuel usage keeps going up, which means our world temperature keeps going up. Our planet is waving a white flag at us, and we have been ignoring it. But our planet is amazing. It has its own system of checks and balances. Carbon dioxide, one of the world's most prominent greenhouse gases, has a built-in way of dissipating. There are three main places carbon dioxide stays when it's not in the atmosphere. One place is the ocean, which actually absorbs a large percentage of carbon dioxide. Unfortunately, it can't handle all of that, so the ocean's acidity is growing, which leads to ocean acidification, but that's another topic. In addition to the ocean, carbon dioxide gets absorbed by trees and other plants. The plants store the carbon and release oxygen for animals to breathe during the process of photosynthesis. Wait, but I said three. That's right, the third place is the ground, where carbon dioxide was stored for thousands of years in the form of fossil fuels before humans brought them to the surface and burned them. This is the option that inspired the idea of carbon capture. It turns out there are many ways to accomplish this, but there are four main ways that are most prevalent: post-combustion carbon capture, pre-combustion carbon capture, oxy-fuel capture, and direct air carbon capture. Post-combustion carbon capture is when carbon dioxide is separated from flue gases or smokestack gases, and they are all put through an absorber column and then treated with superheated steam in order to separate the carbon dioxide before it is moved into storage deep in the ground. This technique is useful, especially for pre-existing manufacturing facilities. Pre-combustion carbon capture is when fuel is converted into hydrogen and carbon dioxide. The hydrogen is then used for energy in the form of hydrogen fuel cells. The carbon dioxide is then put beneath ground in storage. Then there's oxy-fuel carbon capture, which is when fossil fuels are burned in a pure oxygen environment so that there is no separation process. The water vapor is released into the atmosphere, while carbon dioxide is once again stored beneath the ground. Now, all of these methods involve preventing carbon dioxide from reaching the atmosphere. This is great for stopping future emissions, but what if I told you even if we were to achieve carbon neutrality now, there would still be tons of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere? I know it's scary, but carbon capture once again provides a solution in the form of direct air carbon recapture, which removes carbon dioxide that is already present in the atmosphere. It uses chemical solvents which only react with carbon dioxide and then heats this mixture to separate the solvents and carbon dioxide. The solvents are able to be reused for future reactions and the carbon dioxide is stored underground. Wow, carbon dioxide capture is an amazing technology. It will have a big impact on our lives if used correctly. We can create new job opportunities when building and installing this technology, reduce carbon dioxide already present in the atmosphere with direct air recapture, and while the ultimate goal should of course be renewable energy, the first three carbon dioxide capture techniques that were mentioned can help smooth the transition between fossil fuels and renewables for companies that were very dependent on fossil fuels. Thank you for watching!